Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, today we just make you a simple recipe. Some stew chicken at home. Serve with some plain rice and corn on the cob or sweet corn. Lovely recipe. Hopefully you guys like the recipe and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking show. We got a lot more ideas, recipe coming for you. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and the Google Plus 50% on my cookbook this Christmas. Enjoy it. Welcome back again with Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen with a fantastic recipe today for the fans them. Anyway, we're gonna make you some stew chicken. Alright? This one, you can go to any meat shop, your local shop, or buy a meat. I don't know where you buy a meat. But anyway, I buy my meat from my local butcher around the street, just on London High Street right here. And as you can see, this is his piece of the butcher. Aussie. This is 780 London Road, Fenton Eats, CR76JB. His meat is perfect, clean and hygienic. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. I went there and I brought some chicken and only thing come to myself, you know what I mean? I need to make my fans them know what's going on when they go to the local butcher. His number is 020868410775. It's coming up to Christmas, so you need to get your meat. And as you can see, look good, very good, guys. That's the number right there. Come up a little bit closer. That's the guys can see. You can contact him, you know what I mean? And the information will be below in the video. You will see the information. So please get your meat for Christmas, and also get some lovely ham turkey. You know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about. It's coming up to Christmas, isn't it? Yeah. So anyway, we want to do some stew chicken today, and I said to myself, I went down and brought some chicken, very clean. Look at that, no scratch, nothing. The meat is fresh, nice and lovely. First thing what we want to do, I'm gonna pop some natural season. I'm talking about like some fresh thyme. This is some fresh thyme, and all I'm gonna do is just simple put a little piece of fresh thyme just like this in it. Lovely. Basically, I have some spring onion, which I'm going to be using. I got 2 pieces of spring onion right here. I'm just cutting up it at the moment. Straight inside of it, we're going to put the spring onion. I got a couple cloves of garlic right here. Look at those garlic. Oh my God. Garlic. Really nice. I love garlic, man. I love my garlic. Cut it fine, roughly about 6 cloves of garlic. This I love cook with garlic. Straight inside of it. White onion, I got half of a white onion, and it's a large one. Smells nice already. I'm gonna start cooking. What I wanna say, guys, basically, to be honest, you can also marinate the meat from 2 days ago before you even start doing anything. But I'm gonna use half of the white onion. It's gonna be too much. Straight in it like this. Lovely. This is some dark browning right here, which I'm going to be using. I can't show the label copyright, but you can go to any local shop or supermarket, buy some browning. Jamaican one, the English one, whatever you like to use. I'm going to be putting roughly about 1, 2, 3 tablespoons for the time being, and we will look at it and see how it look. Alright guys, 3 tablespoons. Gotta remember we said we're gonna make some stew chicken, alright? Then I'm gonna put some mixed herb, a teaspoon of mixed herb. I'm using teaspoon. I love my teaspoon, you know. It's easier to do things with. Then all-purpose seasoning. 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. I got some chicken seasoning which I'm going to be putting on it also. 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning. And also gonna put a little bit of pepper. A little bit of pepper. Now why not? Flavor it up, yes? Yes man, flavor it up. Give it a lovely flavor and a lovely taste. Little bit of ketchup. Chef Ricardo secret recipe this. You're gonna love this one. So we put some ketchup, we put the seasoning, then we're gonna put some sweet chili sauce. Little bit of sweet chili sauce, bringing the flavor, why not? Alright, make sure you got a gloves. And use the gloves and rub it up. Just like this. Alright guys, look at that. Rub it up, rub it up, rub it up, rub it up. Alright? And that looking lovely and nice, is it? Nice one. Alright, so when you finish all of these ingredients, marinate it and thing, put this one side. I'm going to show you some more ingredients which I'm going to be using. You guys need to know what's going on in the kitchen when Chef Ricardo is in the kitchen. Alright, part 2. Right here. As you can see, I got some carrot, potato, red pepper, more white onion and spring onion, and some fresh thyme and some more garlic. We're gonna put this also inside of it when the meat almost near to cook. We're gonna add these ingredients to it. Alright, so let's go into business now and cook this lovely stew chicken today. And stew chicken can serve with anything: rice and peas, fried dumpling, whatever you like to serve it, guys. I can, you name it. Alright, let's cook it now. Nice one. So basically what we're going to do now is pop 2 tablespoons of olive oil inside of this frying pan right here, medium sized pan. You know what I mean? This is where we're gonna cook that lovely brown stew chicken in. The stew chicken in. You can see? Nice one. What I'm gonna do is put 1 clove of garlic in it. Alright. And use my holding spoon, rub it out in the oil like this. So it's gonna start to get fried. So basically what happens, they wanna get the flavor from the garlic in the oil, you know what I mean? Lovely, I smell that. That smells really nice. Then we're going to scrape that chicken in like this. Honestly, this smells fantastic, guys. Honestly, if you could smell this lovely scent. Remember, I don't even marinate the meat for 2 days or 3 days, I normally do. I marinate the same time and I cook the same time. To show you how much Chef Ricardo doesn't play with the cooking at home. And you guys can do the same thing, alright? So basically, as you can see, the chicken is in the pot at the moment. What we're going to do now is cover it like this. Alright, and allow that for about 10 minutes. Keep stirring it. In between the 10 minutes, make it go and simmer and bring its own juice at the moment. Enjoy the recipe, guys. My name is Chef Ricardo and I represent Jamaica and the world. Nice one, guys. As you can see, I just took off the lid and look at that. Look at the brown stew chicken. Beautiful. What we're going to do, remember I told you I have some potato and some more thyme, 1 cup of garlic, carrot, red pepper, and some white onion and more spring onion. All of the ingredients, so just pop them straight in it. Give it a stir. To be honest, guys, stew chicken is supposed to bring your own juice, but sometimes when you're doing stew chicken, it doesn't happen sometimes. So what I'm going to do, to be honest, I'm just going to be popping a little bit of water inside of it. Not too much. So tiny little bit of water, roughly about 1/4 cups of water. Alright. And we're just going to allow this for it to just cook down for about 10 minutes. And we're going to share it out after. Alright guys. And as you can see, look at that. Chicken looking lovely in the patty, man. That, I can't believe. It's so fantastic and beautiful. So I know you guys are gonna love this one. You know the reason why? This is coming straight from the bottom of Chef Ricardo art with this cooking. And look at it, beautiful. And I know if you make this one day in this week, you're gonna love it. And as I say, you can see how I did it earlier. But what I'm gonna do here, guys, I'm just gonna simply show you some more things. And so what I wanna do is just simply pop a little bit more ketchup towards it. Not too much. Just a tiny little bit, about 3 more tablespoons of ketchup. And then tiny little bit more of the sweet chili sauce because I had a little water to it. Roughly about 3 tablespoons of the sweet chili sauce. You don't have to put ketchup and you don't have to put sweet chili sauce, alright? That's Chef Ricardo recipe. That's my recipe. And I'm not saying, oh, I'm from Jamaican, you know what I mean? Jamaican doesn't use this, Jamaican doesn't use that. Those one who talk in this kind of way because, you know what I mean, that's how they want to talk. But you want your food to taste really nice, please add ingredients to it and treat yourself. You know what I mean? You work very hard for your money, buy whatever you want to buy and put in your meat where you want to put in your meat. Alright guys? You know what I mean? So as I said, you don't have to put sweet chili sauce and ketchup into your stew chicken and what you're gonna cook at home with like Chef Ricardo doing. I'm just adding a little bit of extra ingredients to my pot for the flavor and for more taste. You know what I mean? And that's my, you know what I mean, that's what you can enjoy. In a different culture, different style, different ideas and different ways or you can do things at home in your kitchen. As I said, I'm Chef Ricardo and I represent the world. Alright? So give this roughly about 10 minutes for it to cook down. And as you can see, it's looking really nice. One man said Jamaican food is the sexiest food on the planet. And I'm gonna cover my pot for 10 minutes. Enjoy it. And a medium size eat. Nice and lovely guys, as you can see, that's it right here. Looking fantastic. So give it a stir. As you can see, it dry all the way down and looking lovely. What we should do now is share it out, because I got to cook for about 12 to 15 minutes now. So basically we're going to share it out with some rice. Now I'll turn off the stove, cover this pot back. Let's share it out. It is finished, done and dusted. You can see it for yourself. It's so beautiful and nice. The scent, everything is perfect. The taste, the texture, everything, the color. You know what I mean? That's what we're talking about when we're talking about stew chicken. A lot of people say, okay, you know what I mean, I don't want to have certain things to my stew chicken, but you know what I mean, you're spending your own money, you buy what you like to buy. But this is just perfect for Chef Ricardo. Alright, let's share it out, guys. Nice and lovely, guys. As you can see, I just shared it out, and as you can see, sweet corn and the stew chicken. Fantastic, amazing recipe, guys. As you can see, oh, it's looking so lovely and nice. So hopefully guys you like the recipe and please subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. We got a lot more ideas and recipe coming out your way. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show and stay tuned. My name is Chef Ricardo and I represent the world. One love from Chef Ricardo and the team. Thank you so much. Bye bye.